Alright everybody, it is the 4th of July. Happy 250th anniversary America. So we are going to light up my line of fireworks. Starting with my snow cones, and we're going to work our way over here to the artillery shells and my mom's mothership thing. So we're going to start with those. So there's my lineup. Alright, first one. Cody of Pyrotechnics, this is for you. Your enjoyment.
Hold on, Kurt's gonna move his truck.
Alright. While he does that, I'll show the lineup I have. So I'm gonna start with this, and then we're gonna work our way through all these. Then we're gonna do that. This. Then we're gonna do this. Then I think we'll do rockets after that. And then my mom's thing, it's gonna be a neon strobe. Then it'll be my artillery shells, and then my mom's mothership. So this is for you, Cody B. Just gotta wait a minute till he moves his truck. I'll start when Kurt gets back. Once again, happy 250th anniversary, America. It's gonna be a good firework lineup. They're lighting some spinner fireworks over there, neighbors. Sun is going down, but it's dark enough to enjoy our fireworks. You can hear others in the distance going off. Start here in 1 minute and counting. It's clouds. May have a storm coming, but hopefully not. Alright, I'm gonna start. You ready? Start with the blue snow cone. Yellow, which is the lime. Red one. Well, I don't know what they're doing, but they're lighting something. Mom, ready for the 3-minute one? That tricks us all the time. This one always tricks us sometimes. Zane, I guess you can light my Fantasyland. I'm recording, but here you go. You can do my.
Which one?
Mom, he's gonna light the Fantasyland one.
Which one?
That one, right there.
Purple one?
Purple one. Yep. My brother wanted to light something. It would be rude not to let him. Here you go. Zane, you want to do my big snow cone?
Yeah, I'll do it.
All right.
Kind of the finale.
Mom, you ready for the big one? Snow.
Okay, where?
That one. That's the fuse right there. Yep. See how this one does. Mom, the rockets are the next thing on my level here.
Can I do one rocket?
Sure, I gotta get one on. So these are supposed to be a rocket for report. We'll start with the gold one here. We just don't want them to fail. We gotta be very careful here. Go for it. That's gonna be loud. Please don't fail. Woo! You wanna do another one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cool. Silver.
They're just different colors, and then they'll just.
I can't get that off. We're gonna do the silver one that later. I don't know why I can't get the thing off. There we go. We're gonna do blue. Go for it. Woo! Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
You can do all my rockets. I don't know. I want to do one though. I'm gonna do the silver one, but you can do like the others if you want. Okay, I like to put the camera down. So. Ouch. We're gonna wait a minute for the car coming. Just wait, just wait. All right, go ahead. Woo! Well, is that cool or what?
Hi, neighbor boy. Hello. I told him to not shoot it at you.
What's that?
I told him not to shoot it at you.
What do you think of these? You want to see one in action? All right. Go ahead, Zane. Go ahead. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna light the last one, Zane. Mom! I can't get the fuse thing off of this one. It's like stuck on, but I got the other ones alright. That one's stuck. I've tried a few times. The other ones just came off right away. Alright, I'm just wait. I'll get it.
Go.
Alright, I'm gonna light one of my rockets here. Failed. Woo! Mom, you want to get your phone out? I'm going to light your pink thing.
What's that?
Your pink strobe. Are you ready for that one?
I want to like that.
It's my mom's.
Alright, I'll let you like the pink. Zane's gonna like the pink strobe. I'll let him do it.
I'm going to put my ear protection on because this is going to be kind of loud. Once you get your phone out, you can record it too. Happy 4th of July, guys.
Whatever, you can put it over the...
What do you want me to do with it?
Is that one lit already? Yeah, that one.
All these are lit now, right here. What was your favorite so far to line up?
I like the small car.
Which one? There's like 5 of them.
The big one. What about the Fantasyland thing?
We lit that one already. Don't you want me to record your thing, Mom?
They're backing out. You better get your...
Artillery shell launcher.
I don't like the look of that.
Oh yeah, there's a storm, y'all. Check out. Are you sure you don't want to film it, Mom? I saw lightning right there.
I thought you were gonna do that.
Don't you want it on your phone too?
You can send it to me.
Okay, this is all.
You can go light it. Oh, there it is. I don't... Should we put it...
Maybe I'll move it. Just move it. Just to be safe. You don't want to have anything fail again.
Yeah, I like that.
Right here, all right?
As long as it's not enough.
How's it look? Right here's the fuse, eh? Go for it.
Record it.
Woo! That's all it does, I guess. That was neat. Yeah, just take those shots. It was a strobe. Mom, what about my artillery shell? Yeah, I can't get. I already got the first one out. I just need the fuse undone. Now we're gonna light my artillery shells. which I'm gonna try to make sure I don't do it in the wrong spot. I don't want anything to start on fire. I got the Nishiki Willow canister shells. I think that should be good. And then we'll do my mom's mothership thing, and then I'll have my lineup done. Before you light artillery shells, you gotta make sure you be careful and we'll read what it says, because this can be dangerous to stuff. So you gotta remember to be careful with it. Just want some distant fireworks while you wait. You got the fuses unwrapped out of them? I need help with that part because I couldn't do it. Shell number 1 first. I'm gonna do.
What, they have numbers on it?
Yeah, they do.
Really? Where?
Right here. See?
Oh,
This is 5.
here's 1.
That's the one I'm doing first. Then. Grandpa, are you ready for my artillery shells?
2, 3, 4. We're not gonna leave them lay here. You don't need to, just light it.
No, you have to take that whole thing off.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, you gotta have the fuse off.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
I hear thunder over there. Hopefully this one will stay away till we're done with our fireworks.
Here, let me get them all done first before we start lighting them.
Alright. This is just a little prep of the shells right here. This will be in my YouTube too. Just a little prep. I'll send it to you too, this video. If I have to, I'll do it.
Taking my shell. Randy wants to get my shell.
As long as you're okay with that, I'm just gonna.
Oh, fuck.
Just getting them ready right now.
These are so hard to get off when you don't have fingernails. Shit.
Got that one? Right?
I don't think they want to park there.
It might not be a very good idea in case they fail. I saw some lightning.
You might want to go park behind Kurt's truck over there.
Why?
Because I'm gonna light some big ones here.
It didn't touch my truck. It knows
A
better.
little bit of lightning and a little bit of shell.
Hey, how you doing, girl? How's it going, girl? How you doing? All right. You ready to go swimming sometime? What did you get?
We already lit.
We got the big ones. We got.
Got that one?
Yeah. They're hard to get off when you don't have fingernails, dude.
What are you doing, little one? Why are you giving me that crappy look? Why am I being
He's been looking like that all day. Ooh.
Lightning. We gotta get this. Shell prepping. It's just weird how you have to get all that off, but
There, start number 1. I'll have these.
I don't know if this is like where I should be doing it. Ready for artillery shells? Where's my punk? Grandpa, I'm lighting artillery shells. It's so cool. All right. Where is number 2? How's that, Grandpa? Shell, we're doing them in order to each of the shell numbers. You can do the last one. Lightning detected at 50 miles. You cannot miss you Willow. Lightning! Alright, Zane, this is yours. Be careful. This is gonna be dangerous here. Just wait for Randy. Just wait. Alright. Be careful.
Where is it?
Right here.
What?
Back up fast. Woo! All right, Mommy, ready for your mothership? Yep. How'd you like my artillery shells? We got a storm coming, so we gotta finish off our lighting here.
Nate just brought those up.
Who wants to light it?
Mom needs to light this, it's hers. See the fuse? Oh, I see it. Ready, Mom? That was so cool! And that concludes the fireworks lineup, all the fireworks that we bought. Now my aunt and uncle's turn to light theirs, but they don't get to see those fireworks. And there you go. That concludes this lineup. Bye.